I object to this witness. She's obviously trying to influence the judge.
What makes you say that?
Never mind. Do you have a statement?
I just want to say, if there was no Batman, there'd be no Joker, and I'd never have met my puddin'. Thank you,
Her
Batman.
puddin'? No. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Your Honor. Hey guys, it's Mikayla and welcome to another video. We are back today with another reaction video, and in today's video I'm going to be reacting to the Batman animated series, specifically the trial episode, season 2, episode 9. Superheroes in general have never really piqued my interest, so I have never seen this animated series, and I honestly don't know if I've ever seen a Batman movie either. Don't come for me, I have other interests, you guys, I'm sorry. So this is all going to be brand new to me and brand new to you too. You guys are gonna get my honest, genuine reaction. If you're new here, I am a real life attorney and I love making reaction videos to legal content here on YouTube. And lately that's been in the form of law-related TV episodes or movies, so thank you guys who keep leaving recommendations on my video, and thank you to whoever recommended this video. The episode description is a district attorney who loathes Batman is forced to defend him in a twisted parody of a trial run by the inmates of Arkham Asylum, who have seized control and taken them both prisoner. I also did a little bit of research before filming this video, and by research I mean I called my boyfriend to ask him how to pronounce the asylum name because I was very much about to say Arkham this entire video, and I'm sure you guys would have hated me for that. But before we get into this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified of when I post new videos. And with that, let's get right into it, you guys. Thank you so much for being here, and I'm excited to see what Mr. Batman's gonna get himself into this time. Okay, we've got a strong police presence. Definitely suspicion of a crime. Outside of a bank. Okay, are we robbing the bank? Okay, we're blowing the bank up? Why? Okay, well we definitely have arson to start, minimum. Oh my god, how did they get, okay, they are just on the roof now within 0.2 seconds. Batman's here. Did he just boomerang the guns out of their hands? Okay, I have to say, in a matter of 7 seconds, approximately, the bad guys had run from the scene, gotten onto the roof, Batman boomeranged the guns out of both of their hands, tied their hands up with rope, and the police have detained them. That was a lot in a very short period of time. I don't know much about Batman, but I'm impressed already. Okay, King. Trial. Okay, got Lady Justice in the background with her scales of justice. Love, love. Hopefully there is some justice in this episode because, you know, these don't always go so well.
Pamela Lillian Isley, District Attorney Van Dorn has asked that the maximum sentence of life imprisonment be imposed upon you. However, as your apprehension came at the hands of the Batman and not a recognized agent of the law, this court has no choice but to return you to Arkham Asylum, where it is hoped you will complete your rehabilitation.
Okay. Gonna go ahead and pause it right there. I have a couple things that are interesting. I believe he said that the sentence, Pamela, was it? That she's facing is life imprisonment, which is the maximum sentence. So is there not the death penalty? So that's interesting. And also he said that because a member of the police force was not the one that apprehended her, it was Batman. Instead of going to prison, she has to go to Arkham Asylum, which to me sounds worse than prison, but what do I know? If she's a criminal, she's a criminal, so she's gonna go somewhere. Oh, God.
Hi, Harley.
Welcome home is crazy. Are we in solitary confinement? Oh, God. Oh, yeah, that looks like solitary. That's rough.
Aw, things didn't go
She Can talk to a friend.
Nope.
Well, cheer up. Word is we're gonna throw a little party. And old Jervis here has the invitations.
Not only does Batman create these so-called super criminals, he takes it upon himself to be their judge and jury with no regard for the legal system.
Ooh. Oh, the tea is hot. Okay, so I don't know who this attorney is, but she's pissed. First off, she said that Batman creates these supervillains, I believe, which I'm taking to mean these people would not be doing these things if it weren't for Batman. He is creating an environment that fosters villainization. Either way, she's a lawyer, okay? She is clearly very unhappy with the way Batman does things. In the legal field, you are accused of a crime. You can plead guilty or not guilty to that crime, and then you have the right to a trial of your peers for that crime. But she's saying Batman takes it upon himself to identify criminals, apprehend criminals, and punish criminals how he sees fit. And she's not down with that. I honestly respect it. I respect it, but I think the way Batman does things is a little bit more interesting. So I see his side too.
It sounds like you want to put Batman on trial.
Believe me, I'd like nothing better.
Strong words.
It's got to stop, Jim. As Gotham's new district attorney, I can't allow your pet nut to run loose in my city. I mean it.
Janet, it's a war zone out there, and Batman is our best weapon.
And I say he's a drug the city keeps taking to avoid facing reality.
Deep. What's reality?
Speak of
And
the
who
dead.
is that?
The East Side Skulls are ready to declare war on the other gangs.
Old news. My department's already planning a sting to catch the Skull's leader.
Don't bother.
The skulls.
Very cute, mister. You want to support law and order, you take off that mask and put on a uniform.
Okay. So that's actually what I was thinking is why can't they work together? If Batman is so good at identifying these super criminals and can apprehend them, why would he not do so in order to allow the district attorney to try the case? Batman gets the criminal, you do the trial. I don't see the problem here. I don't see why we can't work in a beautiful harmony, but clearly she has a chip on her shoulder, so let's see why.
You hear me, Batman? This is the last time!
Why?
Next time I see him, it'll be a whole different story.
What is her problem? I don't understand.
Hello, Bruce.
Janet, I'm so glad we're able to meet on such short notice.
Bruce, okay.
It seems every place I look, there's our crusading DA leading the campaign to rid our city of Batman.
Oh, please. He's the last person I want to talk about tonight.
Oh, sorry. Still, even you have to admit, Batman's come through now and then.
But look at the lunatic fringe he's created. The Joker, Two-Face, Poison Ivy, and the rest. Batman's responsible for every one of them.
Excuse me, Miss Van Dorn, but your office just called. They said it's an emergency.
I'm sorry, Bruce. I won't be a minute.
Take your time.
Okay, before we get into the emergency, is it really fair to say that Batman has created these super criminals? Like, if that's what this trial is going to be about, I do not foresee those claims holding water. A criminal is going to criminal whether there's a prosecutor to prosecute them or not. And if these super criminals are committing crimes, it was only a matter of time, regardless of whether they did it pre or post Batman. I don't know. I'm not buying it so far. So far, I am Team Batman. I am not Team District Attorney Janet. But she's a district attorney for a reason, so she clearly has a case. Let's see it. Oh, he's actually waiting for her.
Excuse me, have you seen Miss Van Dorn?
Not in the last half hour, sir.
Look.
Must be trouble.
Oh, God. Oh, the bat signal. I was Batman for Halloween one time, or Batwoman, rather, so I do recognize the bat signal.
It's Van Dorn's. It was dropped on the front desk 20 minutes ago, along with this.
Oh, God.
Come
Has somebody
along,
taken
where
her?
lives
Oh,
hang in the
God.
balance, or the law in Gotham dies.
Oh, God. Okay. Well, that's a clear freaking threat. So Miss Janet has been kidnapped, it appears, and is apparently being held hostage, and Batman's going to save her. I'm still missing the trial aspect. Like, so far, Batman has done nothing wrong. And she's about to save the life, hopefully, of the woman that wants to prosecute him.
You there! Come into the light! I said...
Oh, okay. That was a trap. Has Batman's uniform always been gray? I thought it was yellow. Ooh. Oh, is that the Joker? Batman, get up!
Let me out! Do you hear me? Whoever you are, let me out this second!
Oh! She's in the freaking... What was it? The Arkham Asylum? They put her in the asylum where the criminals she's put away go? Oh, she's not making it out. That's actually worst case scenario for a prosecutor. Listen, I respect the crap out of what they do. If I was a criminal lawyer, I would love to be a prosecutor. It seems like so much fun. But this is the exact reason I wouldn't be. Because if I ever find myself intertwined, entangled with a criminal I've put away, it's not good. It's not good.
Welcome to Arkham, Van Dorn.
Two-Face.
Don't bother screaming for help. The white coats can't hear you. Matter of fact, they can't do much of anything, thanks to the Mad Hatter.
Oh, so all the criminals just banded together.
You're going to escape?
Eventually, we got some legal business to settle first.
Oh, legal business.
I'm talking about a trial. Me, the prosecutor, you, the defense, and your client is Batman.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, Two-Face is the prosecutor, Janet is the defense attorney, and Batman's the defendant? What? First of all, I was questioning how Batman even allowed himself to get caught, but I guess if quite literally every single villain that he's ever, you know, apprehended has banded together, you know, that's pretty powerful. But this is interesting because Janet, who despises Batman, is going to have to defend him now. This is already a very interesting illustration of defense attorneys in real life. Their job is not to like their client. Their job is not even necessarily to believe their client. The job of a defense attorney is to ensure that the defendant's rights are protected and that they have a fair trial. That is literally it. So Janet, ooh girl, your skills are about to be tested to the max.
This is insane. Me defending you? As far as I'm concerned, you belong in here with them.
Whatever. You've got to go through with it. It's their game and their rules. Let's go. Move it.
Indeed.
Who's the judge?
You've said it yourself, lady. Batman made every one of us.
So, we're placing him before the bar to face our justice.
And me?
Basic 50-50 option. You get him off, you both go free.
Okay.
He goes down, you take the fall with him.
Wow.
Amusing idea, what? Kidnapping you to be Batman's attorney?
Personally, I suggested a quick slug between the eyes, but I lost the coin toss.
Stakes could not be higher. This is actually crazy. And why is Batman in a straitjacket? Oh my god. Poor Janet. She was just trying to have dinner.
I borrowed your belt bats, but it doesn't do a thing for me.
Sit down.
Who is the judge? I'm so curious. That is crazy.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so the chains, the straitjacket, I don't know if this trial is going to involve a jury or not, or whether it's going to be a bench trial, which basically means the judge makes all the decisions instead of a jury. But even the worst criminals, I mean, the worst I've seen is, I guess maybe they might be handcuffed. Maybe they might have ankle cuffs. But the issue with having those restraints on a defendant in a trial is it prejudices the jury against them. If you see somebody walk in a suit, they have a fresh cut, they're looking professional, they're looking good, you're going to have a more positive opinion of them. Whereas if you see somebody walk in, I don't know, a straitjacket and be chained to the chair, you're already gonna think he's guilty. So if I were Janet, I would start by objecting to that and requesting that the chains and the jacket be removed from my client. But hey, I'm just an innocent bystander. I'm just watching, so let's see what Janet does.
Oh, yeah. He says, oh, yeah.
What does "Aryeh" mean?
Dummy up. Sheesh. I gotta do everything for
Why
you.
is the judge a ventriloquist?
Now in session. The good people of Arkham Asylum
Wow.
versus the self-righteous vigilante called Batman.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he is a vigilante, isn't he? I mean, I see the issue. Some people, well, probably most people, I understand the issue with vigilante justice, trust me. But the good people of Arkham, like Arkham Asylum, like the people who, okay, I wouldn't describe them that way. And also, why is the judge a dummy? Why is the dummy giving orders? I have so many questions, and if I was Janet, I would be losing my mind.
Our prosecutor is ready. Likewise, our fair and impartial jury.
Hang him!
Shoot him!
Hit him with a rock.
And now all rise for
Are
the
you
most
serious?
honorable, most benevolent, most merciful Judge Joker!
Oh no. Okay. Sir. First of all, oh my God. Okay, I think we all know what a jury is, right? It is a jury of your peers, and jury selection takes place before a trial so you can weed out potential jurors that might have a bias one way or the other. Wouldn't you think that a group of people Batman has described and identified as villains and has defeated would have a little bit of bias against it? That's crazy. That's insane. Second of all, again, don't know much about Batman, but I believe the Joker, if I remember correctly, is his arch nemesis. He clearly is also not impartial, you guys. The cards are stacked against this guy. Like, ooh, Janet, girl, you have an uphill battle ahead of you, and it's not looking good.
I was promised a chance to defend my client.
Oh, very well. Like it'll make a difference. Mr. Prosecutor, make your opening statement.
I'm okay. I have no words. This should be interesting.
Look at us. We're all freaks and monsters. And who made us this way? Batman. Yeah!
Why do they keep saying he made them? Did he literally do that? Sir?
Go on, lady. Defend him.
Sir?
Call the first witness.
Yo, Hat, understand.
I'm sorry, where's her opening? Whoa! Whoa! Wait.
Proceed, counselor.
I suppose you.
Wait a
like your
minute.
friends, claim
Wait.
that Batman drove you to
Oh my God. A witness cannot be a juror. I don't even know what to say. Y'all, I have covered some crazy trials. We've done SpongeBob. We've done the Fairly Odd Parents. But I have seen nothing, and I mean nothing, that rises to the level of insanity like this does. First of freaking all, why didn't Janet get to make an opening statement? Second of all, if you're a witness in a trial, you don't get to be on the jury. Like, I don't know what else to say. This is so wild that I'm actually in disbelief. Like, I have no words. I have no words.
He did.
And yet, as I recall your case, you brainwashed and kidnapped a woman who rejected you.
Batman forced me to do it. He was going to take her away from me. I had no choice.
You could have respected her wishes and left her alone.
I'd have killed her first. Oh, I'd like that last statement stricken from the record, please.
Record? Is someone supposed to be writing this down?
Oh my God.
This is crazy.
Oh my God. You guys, there's just too much. There's too much. Am I playing Ace Attorney right now? Oh my God. First of all, ew, this man is a freaking creep. Like, okay. I'm already on Batman's side if he apprehended somebody that forced a woman to stay with him against her will. Like, that's disgusting, obviously. Second of all, witnesses cannot strike their own testimony from the record. Third of all, yes, Judge Joker, there's supposed to be a court reporter here so that there is an accurate transcript of the trial should anybody try to argue something happened that didn't. Currently, exactly 0 things are accurate. Let's just leave it at that for now.
That's beside the point. Just keep it going.
Looks like Batman's hunch was wrong. There's no sign of him or Miss Van Dorn.
But he was here, all right.
They're looking for him.
I object to this witness. She's obviously trying to influence the judge.
What makes you say that?
Never mind. Do you have a statement?
I just want to say, if there was no Batman, there'd be no Joker, and I'd never have met my puddin'. Thank you,
Her
Batman.
puddin'?
Sad, isn't it? Harleen Quinzel was a doctor here at Arkham until the Joker twisted her mind.
Ha! You're just jealous because you don't have a fella who's as loving and loyal to you as my puddin' is to me.
Why is she Southern?
Uh-huh.
No, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Your Honor. You know what? I don't even know who to make the motion to, because I would make a motion demanding you recuse yourself from this trial, but you're just gonna deny it. And there's clearly nobody above you, so I can't appeal. I don't, what is she gonna do? You guys, what is she gonna do? I see no path forward. I just see, homegirl was stroking the judge's hair. Like, I don't see a path forward. I really don't.
And I suppose it was that same loyalty I saw the last time you escaped, and Puddin' here thinked on you in hopes of getting time off.
Is that true, Puddin'?
Think is
such
an ugly word.
You lousy scut-sucking creep!
The witnesses.
Well, that was quick. Okay, bailiff? Anyone?
Knock it off, lady.
Oh, he's the bailiff. The ventriloquist is the bailiff, but he's doing nothing. I have so many questions. I just have so many questions.
He should have let me bump off Harvey Dent. We'd all have been better off, wouldn't we, Harv?
Why, you rotten little liar.
But Miss Isley, isn't the real motivation for your crimes your obsession with plants? That you prefer them to people?
I love plants, honey, but a rose is a rose.
Then it doesn't
Plants?
bother you when someone, let's say the judge here, ruthlessly
It's random.
plucks a defenseless flower from the warm green earth.
No.
Even knowing he's given it his
Okay.
death sentence?
I'm sorry. Is the judge reading a magazine? Is the judge reading a magazine during the trial, during a witness's testimony? Are we boring him? Does he have somewhere better to be? Yeah, this is the most insane episode of any TV show I have ever watched when it comes to the legal field. I literally cannot imagine it getting more crazy than this. So well done, Batman. Well freaking done. Let's see where Janet goes with this one.
That its petals must die.
Stop it.
One by one, withering, falling.
Get
one
her,
by
get
one,
her.
till it's
Make her
all
crack.
gone, honey.
That's it. That's the one. Take her out, boys.
Miss Ivy, please.
You're beautiful.
Poor Janet. Okay, not much of a bailiff, but that's no surprise.
I used to believe
Yes, girl.
Batman was responsible for you.
Deep breaths.
But now I see nearly everyone here would have ended up exactly the same, Batman or not. Oh, the gimmicks might be different, but you'd all be out there in some form or another bringing misery to Gotham.
That's what I said.
The truth is, you created him.
Ooh, okay. Yes. Listen, I may not have agreed with Janet in the beginning, but she's a queen, first of all. She knows exactly what she's doing, and she's doing the best in working with what she has. She said Batman didn't create you. You created Batman. What a line. What a line.
It's working.
Looks like a tracking device.
It's pointing north. The Somerset district. Nothing much out there except Arkham.
Oh God. Well, realization just struck. So they're gonna go save them, hopefully.
Jury, you've heard the evidence.
That's the evidence?
Verdict.
That's the evidence? They're just deliberating in the same room? No privacy? Okay.
Your Honor,
cool.
In light of Ms. Van
Or
Dorn's
person.
stirring defense, we have no choice but to find the defendant not guilty.
Amazing.
Well done.
What's the catch? What is the freaking
Batman
catch?
didn't create us. That we, in fact, messed up our own rotten lives. And as we are so rotten, vile, and depraved, we're going to waste you anyway.
Oh, great. You know what? At least they did Janet the honor of letting her know, listen, homegirl, you're right. Everything you said is right, but we're still gonna kill you. We're gonna kill you anyway. Like, it's the little things.
That's all, folks.
Bugs Bunny? What? What? What is happening? Okay, people in the car, now would be a good time to pop in and save the day. Anytime. Anytime.
Help us, please!
Girl, they're brainwashed. They are not going to help anybody. Oh, God. What kind of torture room is this? Yeah. It's not looking good, folks. Not looking good.
Anything you say, Janny Poo.
Oh, God.
And now for the final confession. The big secret you've kept from us for so many years. Brothers and sisters, at long last I give you the man behind
Oh, they don't know what he looks like. No. No, you can't go back. Oh.
He's gone.
What the heck?
Spread out.
How?
Get away. Who said?
Guy was chained, buckled, and tied.
What's going on?
Get the light!
I guess where there's a will, there's a way.
Nobody panic.
That he moves fast.
Okay, stop panicking. The only way out is through me.
Oh, okay. Batman said no problem. Through you I will go.
Hold on.
Where's Janet?
What's your point?
Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Yo, you almost shot your girlfriend, buddy. You guys, this is not real. Where is Janet? Oh, there's Janet. Heck yeah. Okay. Y'all better sprint. Oh God. Okay. It's interesting, the paradox here, because now Batman is, I guess, technically committing crimes, but y'all, he was kidnapped against his will, put on trial, where he had no fighting chance. They found him not guilty, and then proceeded to try to murder him. Like, I feel like anything Batman does at this point is self-defense, or defense of others, because he's bringing Janet along with him, thank God. Where are the other people? When are y'all gonna come in? Like, anytime. Oh God. Oh my God, they're endless, you guys. You've been able to do that this whole time? Why did you wait to do that, Batman? Why did you wait to do that?
Hold it! Nobody move!
Finally! Oh my God, where have y'all been?
Look alive, Batman! Here comes
Seriously? Seriously? A single rope? All of that in a single rope is gonna be the catalyst.
Hanging Judge Joker, that's me.
Guys, BFFR right now. Gorgeous kick. And Batman falls to his death. Can Batman not fly? I am so confused. What is the point of the cape? Why does he keep using rope? Okay. He made it out at the end of the day.
I see now there's a need for the things you do. But I'm still going to work toward a city that doesn't need Batman.
Me too.
Great goal. Great goal. Mutual goal there. Okay, so a hard lesson was learned by Miss Janet in this episode, but a very necessary lesson, and that part I like. However, this was the most unrealistic, absolutely insanely written attempt at depicting the legal system in a trial that I have ever seen. It was very entertaining, but I can count on my hand the amount of things in this episode that are anything remotely close to how things happen in real life. So take that as you will, but I enjoyed it nonetheless. Again, if there's anything else you guys would like me to react to, definitely leave it in a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye, and go thrive.